What is going on, everyone? Thank you so much for checking out another Hunt's Quick Look video. My name is Josh, and today I'm taking a look at the brand new 17mm f4 DG/DN contemporary prime lens from Sigma. Sigma is back with an ultra-wide prime lens for full-frame mirrorless cameras available in both L-mount and E-mount. The 17mm f4 marks the 9th prime lens in Sigma's I series. Like the other I lenses, the 17mm is lightweight and compact, only weighing around 225 grams and is around 2 inches in length depending on the mount. By shortening the overall length and making alterations to the focus configuration, this lens has the ability to focus up to 12 centimeters away from your subject for a 1 to 3.6 ratio. This, paired with the inner focusing system, creates a compact lens that is just great for on-the-go use. Sigma has ensured that this lens will have minimal focus breathing as well as virtually no compositional changes despite the wide focal length. The lens itself is designed specifically to minimize flaring and ghosting on images. A few other notable features include a manual aperture ring, a stepping motor for precise and quick autofocus, high-speed autofocus compatibility, and a dust and splash-resistant mount. Overall, this incredibly lightweight and compact lens is kind of perfect for vloggers, adventure photographers, and videographers, landscape photographers, basically any creators that are on the go and need something that's small and can fit in their bag easily. Thank you for checking out this Hunt's Quick Look video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an upload. Once again, my name is Josh, and if you have any other questions about the Sigma 17mm f4 DG/DN or anything else camera related, please do not hesitate to give us a call, send us an email, reach out on one of our socials, or simply stop by one of our 8 stores located around New England.